back to my YouTube channel. My name is Confidence and I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. On today's video we are going to be making coconut flakes, or you can call it coconut chips, anyone at all you want to call it. So peel and wash your coconuts, like you can see the way I've did it here. Peel and wash your coconuts. You use your grater to shred it. You use the bigger part of your grater to shred your carrot, so you have this tiny look texture. Yes, you can see the way it is, so that you can have this kind of texture, so that when you make your coconut chips, it will not be big, it will not be too small, just perfect size. I want to use this opportunity to thank the people that watched my last video, how to make akara. Like as of the last time I checked, 23 people have watched the video, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for taking out the time to watch that video. Please next time be dropping your likes and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notification as well, so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post new videos. On my YouTube channel I post videos of lifestyle, food recipes, motherhood, chit chat, and the rest of them. So let's continue. I finished shredding my coconuts. You can see how beautiful it is looking. I finished shredding. This remaining one I did not shred them, because if I continue to shred with the grater, it's going to injure my hands. So these leftovers, you can eat it, or you can give it to your children or anybody around you that is willing to eat it. So this is the coconut as it is. I've not done anything to it. This is after grating it. This is what it looks like. So in my pan I'm going to be adding half cup of water. Yes, half cup of water. After I add the half cup of water, I'm going to be putting in sugar. Yes, I will allow the water heat up a little bit, not just immediately. I will allow the water heat up a little bit before I will add in my sugar. As you can see, I'm adding in my sugar here. I added 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. That's what I'm using here. Maybe you can increase it to your own preference or reduce it any way you want it. You can do it. And one thing about your coconut chips, you can use anything you want to. You can put cinnamon, you can put pepper, but here, because my children are going to be eating it, I did not put cinnamon, I did not put pepper. I just put sugar. I only used sugar for these coconut chips. Yes, you can see after putting it, you stir. The downside about this thing is that you're going to stir, because once you leave it, it is going to burn. Once you leave this thing and turn away from it, it's going to definitely burn. So you need to continue stirring it so that it will not burn. And again, you can see here I'm using a stainless pan. If you have non-stick, that will be perfect for this, because as time goes on you will see that my pan will start looking black, something like that. But if you're using non-stick, it will be easier, because non-stick, your coconut will not stick on the pan and it will not get burnt. But this is stainless steel pan. So let's get going. This is me stirring it. I did not take my hands off this thing. I kept stirring. And you know coconut has its own oil, right? So the more you keep stirring, see all that water that we added at the beginning, everything has dried up. There's no more water in it. Everything has already dried up. I kept stirring it just like that. Just like this, you see. Please, if you have any video that you want me to film, maybe cooking video, please, I would like you to always drop it on my comment section, and I will film it. Yes, I promise I will film the video. If you have any suggestion, the kind of video you will want me to put out here on my YouTube channel, maybe there's a food recipe you want me to recreate, I would love to hear it down the comment section. So this is it. The coconut chips is coming together. It's now turning brown. The more you keep stirring it, the more you keep frying it, you see everything is coming together. Just look at my pan. You see what I'm telling you guys, right? Look at the way my pan is looking. Well, because it is stainless steel, but one thing about stainless is like it's good here. So I love stainless steel. But if you have non-stick pan, please use it, because it's not going to stick and your pot is not going to burn, just like my own. Just look at this coconut chips, coconut flakes, whatever you want to call it. You see how fine it is looking, perfect. See, I've put it out for it to dry out. This is it. It has dried. It is not too dry, like, I don't know how to put it. Not too dry, but okay, and not too soft, just perfect. You can use it for your smoothie, you can use it for your yogurt toppings, your Greek yogurt toppings. You can give it to your children, they can eat it like that. This is me bottling it inside my Bama container, you see. And this will not even take us up to 2 weeks. It's not possible. So this is how you make your coconut flakes. It's as easy as it is. You don't have to break the bank for it. I used just 2 medium-sized coconuts to do this. Yes, and if you're going to be buying in the store, you are going to spend a lot. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notification bell, share my videos to your friends and family, and always leave comments on the comment section. I will reply you. I will love your comment. Thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Till I come your way next time. Bye.